Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and today we are going to be doing a 6-minute ab workout. We are going to be doing 11 different exercises for 30 seconds at a time with a 10-second break in between. So roll up your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to begin doing some heel touches. So lie flat on your back and then simply just reach with your arms and touch your heels, working your obliques. And rest. From here we're going to be doing some in and out, so sitting up on your bum, finding your hands in the mat. Okay, from here we'll move into some mountain climbers. So coming onto your hands and knees, extending the legs out long. From here, we're going to come into a forearm plank. Keeping the core engaged. From here we're going to come into our backs and do some leg raises. You want to make sure you keep your lower back on the floor at all times. So if you can only lower your legs down about halfway like me, that's totally okay. You want to make sure you protect the low back. From here, we're going to come back into forearm plank. And then we're going to come back to the leg raises. Again, keeping your lower back rooted in the mat at all times. Bring your knees into your chest. And the next one will be bicycles. You can go at your own pace here, moving fast or slow. Just making sure to keep your core engaged. From here, we're going to go into scissor kicks. So extending our legs out long, again keeping our lower back in the mat, and just crisscross our legs. And then from here, we can come onto our elbows and our forearms. We're going to do some toe taps. Just bringing our knees parallel with the floor, and then just tapping your toe on the mat, keeping the core engaged. Our last one will be a reverse crunch. Almost done. So bringing our knees in towards our chest and then tapping the toes on the ground before bringing them back in. Great for the low abs. Last one. Oh, good job, everybody. Let's all move into a cobra pose, making sure to stretch out the abs. Looking one way and then the other. And then we'll come back into an extended child's pose. Awesome. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. Hope your abs are feeling this. I know mine are. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you would like me to make more ab or HIIT style workout videos, be sure to let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to do that for you. So peace, love. Hope you all have amazing days. Thank you so much.